A journey of nature.
In a world where beauty knows no bounds, nature's landscapes are a sight to behold. Join us on a journey through the breathtaking seashore aerial views and 4K footage that will leave you in awe. When I'm surrounded by nature, I feel alive. It's like I can breathe easier, think clearer, and appreciate the beauty of the world around me. Life truly is beautiful with nature. From the towering cliffs to the gentle waves lapping at the shore, the seashore is a place of wonder and tranquility. The aerial views capture the vastness and beauty of the natural world, inviting us to appreciate its splendor. As we soar above the seashore, we witness the harmony of nature at play. The birds dancing in the sky, the waves crashing against the rocks, and the sun setting in a blaze of color. Each moment a testament to the power and beauty of the natural world. Whether it's the awe-inspiring beauty of a sunrise over the ocean or the quiet solitude of a forest at dusk, nature has a way of reminding us of the simple joys in life. It's a reminder that we are just a small part of something much bigger and more magnificent than ourselves. as the day draws to a close, we are reminded of the fleeting beauty of the seashore, the changing tides, the shifting sands, and the ever-present rhythm of the ocean, a reminder of the impermanence of all things. As the sun sets, the landscape below transforms into a canvas of vibrant hues. The mountains, forests, and rivers below come alive in a harmonious display of nature's beauty. As we journey through this aerial symphony, we are reminded of the interconnectedness of all living things. Each bird, each tree, each river plays a vital role in the grand orchestra of nature. And so, as we marvel at the beauty of the world around us, let us remember to cherish and protect it, for it is in the delicate balance of nature that the true symphony of life can be heard. In a world filled with chaos and uncertainty, there is one constant source of beauty and tranquility: nature. From the majestic mountains to the serene beaches, nature has a way of captivating our hearts and soothing our souls. So next time you're feeling overwhelmed or stressed, take a moment to step outside and immerse yourself in the beauty of nature. You may just find that life is a little more beautiful when you're surrounded by the wonders of the natural world. In the end, the seashore is a place of wonder and beauty, a reminder of the majesty of the natural world. So take a moment to appreciate the beauty that surrounds us and let the seashore aerial views and 4K footage inspire you to cherish and protect our planet.